Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Faucet Flow Restrictor is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly impactful devices for any modern household, offering a simple yet effective solution to manage water consumption and reduce utility bills without sacrificing water pressure or performance, making it an essential addition for environmentally conscious and budget-savvy consumers alike. Number 5. Moen 116711 Eco Performance Aerator Flow Restrictor. Is your plumbing fixture causing problems? Instead of replacing the whole unit, you can simply repair it with this essential part. Ensure authenticity and quality with this genuine Moen replacement part. It's the original equipment manufacturer's choice for a reason. Enjoy a stress-free experience. This part is designed for easy and hassle-free installation, giving you peace of mind. It fits a variety of Moen bathroom and kitchen faucets, including popular models like Chateau, Brantford, and Kingsley. Invest with confidence. This product is built to last and is backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. What we like. This is an authentic OEM replacement part, designed for a hassle-free installation. If you need to repair existing plumbing fixtures without a full replacement, this is your go-to. Its compatibility with a wide range of Moen faucet models and a limited lifetime warranty offer great peace of mind. What people say. It fit perfectly, and now I can draw a teapot of water without having to dry off afterwards. Easy to install and a big money saver. My kitchen faucet was spraying water everywhere. I tried getting a new aerator insert at the local big box stores, but they didn't fit. They had a lip that wouldn't drop the insert into place. I ordered this insert and it fit perfectly for my Moen faucet. I believe I have the Edison model. Number 4. Universal Kitchen Faucet Head Replacement with 15 Adapter Kit. Upgrade your kitchen sink with this versatile faucet head replacement. It's designed to fit most major brands, making it a convenient choice for any home. Never worry about compatibility again. This kit comes with 15 different adapters, ensuring a perfect fit for brands like American Standard, Moen, and Delta. Effortlessly switch between 3 distinct water modes: stream for filling, spray for rinsing, and a powerful flush for tough messes. It adapts to all your daily kitchen needs. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, this faucet head is built to last. The silicone nozzles are easy to clean and prevent mineral buildup. No need for professional help. Installation is a breeze with the included tools and clear instructions. You can replace your old faucet head in just minutes. This multi-mesh aerator provides a no-splash stream while filtering impurities. It's designed to help you save water and energy with every use. What we like. This replacement head comes with a comprehensive 15 adapter kit, ensuring compatibility with most major faucet brands. If you're looking for a versatile upgrade with multiple spray functions like stream, spray, and flushing, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction and easy installation make it ideal for anyone wanting to enhance their kitchen sink's functionality. What people say. Fit my kitchen faucet, perfect, and works great. Super easy to install, took 5 minutes. And the ultra-high pressure option is amazing to clean out the sink. The water flow is better than my factory spray head. It goes from solid stream to spray with the front switch, and I really like the blast feature button. It allows a strong force of water to blast away any stubborn food from dishes. Number 3. JQK Faucet Aerator Fan 15 P5. Introducing the JQK Faucet Aerator, designed for efficient water usage. This 5-pack ensures you have replacements ready for your bathroom or kitchen faucets. Before purchasing, please measure your existing aerator's dimensions. This ensures a perfect fit for your faucet, as our aerator measures 21 by 21 by 12.2 mm. Experience a smooth and consistent water flow with a maximum rate of 1.5 gallons per minute. It provides an efficient stream without compromising performance. Crafted with high-quality materials, this aerator has been rigorously tested. You can expect excellent performance and durability for long-term use. This is a general replacement part designed to fit standard faucets. Please confirm your aerator size before making your purchase to ensure compatibility. What we like. This is a standard-sized replacement aerator designed for smooth, consistent water flow at 1.5 GPM. If you're looking for an economical solution to replace multiple worn-out aerators in your bathroom or kitchen, this 5-pack is perfect. It's a high-quality, tested option for maintaining optimal faucet performance. What people say. This product is a great way to save water and money. It is easy to install and use. The flow restrictor is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. Number 2. JQK Faucet Aerator Fan 22 P3. Introducing the JQK Faucet Aerator, designed for optimal performance. This replacement part ensures a smooth and efficient water flow for your daily needs. Before purchasing, please take a moment to measure your current aerator's dimensions. This ensures a perfect fit for your faucet, preventing any compatibility issues. Experience a consistent and satisfying water flow with a maximum rate of 2.2 gallons per minute. It provides ample water while maintaining efficiency. Designed to fit standard bathroom or kitchen faucets, this aerator helps you get more flow while saving water. It's a smart choice for any household. Crafted with high-quality materials and rigorously tested, you can rely on its excellent performance. It's built to last and provide a superior user experience. This is a general replacement part that fits most standard faucets. Always double-check your aerator size before making your purchase to guarantee compatibility. What we like. This aerator offers a higher flow rate of 2.2 GPM, designed to save you time while still being a standard-sized replacement. If you prefer a stronger water flow for tasks like quickly filling pots or rinsing dishes, this 3-pack is a great option. It's a high-quality, tested part for those who want efficiency without sacrificing performance. What people say. The aerator runs smoothly and keeps the water stream steady without any whistling or sputtering. These devices can significantly reduce that time, albeit at the expense of some wasted cold water. They provide good aeration and are easy to clean and replace. The water flow is uniform and currently no leaks. Number 1. 5 pieces Faucet Aerator, Water Tap Aerator Replacement Parts. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, these aerators are built to last and incredibly simple to put in place. Enjoy a stable, splash-free water flow thanks to the effective fine filter screen. These come in a standard size with a top outer diameter of 16.5 mm. Please measure your faucet spout before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit, as they are designed for 16.5 mm female spouts. Experience a gentler water impact that prevents splashing by creating a rich stream of bubbles. The integrated filter effectively removes most impurities from the water. Perfect for a variety of settings, these are ideal for installation and replacement in homes, hotels, and public spaces. They are a great addition to your tap accessories. Each package includes 5 faucet aerators and 5 corresponding wrenches. This generous quantity ensures you have plenty for all your needs and replacements. What we like. This set of 5 aerators is made from durable ABS plastic and designed to reduce splashing by creating a bubbly flow. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade multiple faucets in your home, hotel, or public space with a stable, filtered water stream, this is an ideal choice. The included wrenches make installation straightforward. What people say. Still aerates the water good even at full flow. The new aerators fit perfectly. Fit perfect and does better than the OEM aerator. Tool worked perfectly too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.